Discipline is the backbone of success. It's about controlling impulses, emotions, and behaviors to reach your long-term goals. Setting clear goals is crucial. Be specific, measurable, realistic, and set a timeline. Building a routine is key. Start small, be consistent, prioritize, and plan ahead. Managing distractions is vital. Identify them, create a focused environment, set boundaries, and use tools. Staying motivated is a must. Find your why, visualize success, celebrate small wins, and stay positive. Keep pushing forward with discipline. Self-reflection is key to enhancing discipline. By assessing daily achievements, tackling procrastination with strategies like breaking tasks into smaller steps, and building resilience through a growth mindset, we pave the way for success. Accountability partners and long-term strategies keep us on track. Remember, progress over perfection and celebrate every step forward. Stay disciplined, stay focused, and watch yourself soar.
Discipline isn't just a word, it's a way of life. By integrating discipline into your daily routine, you pave the way for success. From structured morning rituals to prioritizing tasks at work, discipline propels you forward. Personal development thrives on discipline, setting goals, and continuous learning. Remember, balance is key to avoiding burnout. Stay focused on long-term goals, break them down, track progress, and celebrate milestones. Discipline isn't a sprint, it's a marathon towards lasting success. When setbacks hit, don't dwell on blame. Analyze, learn, and reframe your mindset for growth. Strengthen your mental game with mindfulness, affirmations, and visualization. Embrace imperfection and focus on small wins for consistent progress. Utilize tools like digital planners and habit trackers to enhance discipline. Stay motivated by reviewing goals, finding your why, and surrounding yourself with inspiration. Discipline isn't about perfection, it's about steady effort and long-term success. Keep pushing forward. Discipline isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. To make it last, embrace lifelong learning, stay adaptable, be self-aware, and live mindfully. Balance discipline with flexibility by setting realistic expectations, listening to your body, and embracing change. Inspire others by leading by example, sharing your journey, offering support, and celebrating successes. Build positive habits through starting small, being consistent, habit stacking, and tracking progress. Seek feedback, reflect, implement changes, and celebrate growth for continuous improvement. Stay committed, evolve over time, and inspire others on your discipline journey. See you next time.